Good morning everyone. Class 12, subject business study, chapter 11. Okay. Today topic is function of marketing, function of marketing management. Okay. Function of marketing management. So different types of function are included in this series. So marketing management is the process of planning, organizing, controlling, staffing, etc. With the help of these combination, complete a definition of marketing management. So different types of function are included in marketing management. So point number first is gathering and analyzing marketing information या market information. So point number first, gathering and analyzing marketing information, clear? Gathering and analyzing marketing information. So first of all, data collect from market side, and after that analysis on different point of view on the behalf of different P's: product, price, place, promotion, physical existence, etc. So second point, market planning. So again, in this concept, in this point, in this approach, how to sell a product in market in a proper manner, या how to attract a customer in a following manner. So first of all, prepare a planning regarding product, and after that appoint a salesman according to sales territories. First of all, product planning, and after that classify sales territories, and in these territories appoint a salesman. So it is a market planning. Next point, third, it is a main point, product design and development. Point number third, product design and development. Product design and development means include a different products in this series. Okay. So next point is packaging and labeling. Point number 4, packaging and labeling. Packaging and labeling. So it includes product packaging. So packaging is attractive to directly affect a consumer, and product labeling is directly affect to consumer, and it also helpful in increasing sales. Okay. Next, branding. Different types of brands are available in market. Okay. So branding is necessary point in this function. Next, customer support service. Next point, point number 6, customer support service. So different type of companies are provide a toll-free number, provide toll-free number and IVR service, interactive voice response क्या IVR service. Clear? Interactive voice response. Okay. Next point is pricing products. Point number 7, pricing products. So finalize the product price. In this series, promotion. Point number 8, how to promote. Promotion is a main point in this series. How to promote a product regarding distributor free samples. Free samples distribute. Okay, clear? So point number 1, gathering and analyzing marketing information. Point number 2, market planning. Point number 3, product design and development. Clear? Next point, packaging and labeling. So directly affect consumer. So attractive packaging is affect consumer mind. Next is branding. Point number 6, support customer service. So provide toll-free number and IVR service, interactive voice response 24/7. Pricing product and promotion, free sample distribute, physical distribution. Next point, point number 9, physical distribution. Okay, so physical distribution is necessary part of distribution channel. Means manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer. Okay. Next point, transportation. Point number 10, transportation. So transportation is a main channel regarding distribution of product. And last one point is storage. Storage or warehouse या warehousing. Clear? Next point, last point, warehousing. So it is a godown. So basically 10 to 11 points are included in the function of marketing management. Okay, so write on.